So let me show you how to adjust the camera resolution and frame rate on the iPhone Air. So you want to launch the camera app, and then at the bottom, tap on video. So for video, you have your HD, which is, of course, high definition, and also you can record in 4K. So this is why you choose the resolution. You have HD, which is 1920p, and 4K. And then also you can adjust the frame rate between 24, 30, and 60 frames per second. Okay. Now in terms of photo, you can also adjust, but to adjust photo, you have to go into settings and adjust it from there. Okay. Now here you can just adjust things like timer, aspect ratio, flash, and whatnot. But in terms of video, that's how you do it. Now, if you want to adjust the resolution for slow-mo videos, for instance, you just need to go to slow-mo mode, and then you can choose from the slow-mo mode whether you want 720p at 120 or 240 frames per second, or high definition at 120 or 240 frames per second. Now, clearly this iPhone does not have 4K slow-mo, as you can see, so that's kind of a bummer on the iPhone Air. But also you can adjust the resolution for time-lapse if you want to. Now if you go into the main settings, so if I go into settings, and then under settings I go to camera, under camera I should be able to scroll down and look for the format options. So let me go and find formats like that, and then I can adjust to high efficiency, and then I can also enable the resolution control in the camera app. So now when I go to the camera app in photo mode, I can have the controls in the top left corner where I can adjust between 24 and the 48 megapixel option for taking photos, right? So that's how to adjust resolution and frame rate in the camera app of your iPhone Air. Thanks for watching and good luck.